What's going on, you guys? So this is what we're getting into. BC Racing, the BR series, standard springs. Megan Racing, it's adjustable traction rods. We got control rods, and then we got our control arms in the back here. So far so good, you guys. I gotta fix a couple things on this side suspension wise, and then I'll start pulling these coilovers off, get the new coilovers in, height adjust them just right, get the ball rolling. So here we go. We're about to take these top bolts out for the suspension. Oh God! Try to get you guys a front row view. This one over here is definitely falling straight out, you guys. It's got nothing. Oh God, that's gonna be tough to see. All right, I'm back. I got my extension. See if I can get this one. Let's see if you guys can see what I see. That was not tight at all. So, I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Alright, so we got this entire assembly completely done. All new suspension arms. Traction arm, control arm, and then, oh God, I always forget this one, but we got all that in. Also, as you can see, we got the BC Racings in. They sat just a little bit higher, but I'm actually okay with that because, like I said previously, those 275s sit a lot higher than the 245s, so obviously we're gonna have to run better height, a little bit higher. So I'm not worried about it, but now I'm gonna go ahead and jump over to the other side. All right. Oh God. On to the next side. Now this one will probably be a whole lot easier for the simple fact that there's no assembly on this side. Should fall right out, no problem. But yeah, after this, I'll get the assembly ready, bring it over, pull the suspension arms off that's on it, and get those new suspension arms ready. You know, as I'm standing here, getting ready to start on this passenger side, I figured, you know what, why don't we fit up one of our tires, which is right there, on here and see how it all fits. Well, for fitment, I mean, it's not too bad. This is completely off the ground too, and it's still, you know, 2-finger gap. Not bad, honestly. Once it's on the ground, that's when we'll really be able to tell. Oh man, those 275s are gonna look really good now that I got all the adjustable arms. Whew, man, those traction rods, I'll be able to pull it in. Man, I got nothing else to say. Let's jump on this other side. Alright, so now we got everything situated. The entire suspension on the rear end, subframe, everything is done. As you can see here, I pretty much lined everything up. So I did one side where it looked pretty straight, pretty good, and I matched passenger side to this side. Well, it's down, and honestly I can't tell if it's lower. I don't know, what do you think? I might go drive it really quick. I don't know if I'll film it. I might go drive it really quick, feel it out, see how this spool feels. It's on the ground, it's on its own suspension, and it's looking really nice.